Good morning, everyone. In last class, we have already discussed on the color blindness, X-linked inheritance. Hemophilia, X-linked inheritance. Today we are going to discuss on the autosomal linkage. Autosomal linkage. Autosomal linkage. The linkage phenomenon occur due to the autosomes. The genes which are associated with the autosomes and inherit together in the next generation. Such type of linkage is known as autosomal linkage. Autosomes are the chromosome which are responsible for the expression of body characters. Autosomes are the chromosomes which are responsible for the development of body characters. Except sex characters or sex linked characters. The autosomes on which genes are present which are responsible for the expression of characters. And one of the autosomal linkage phenomenon or trait we have to study, that is widow's peak. Widow's peak is autosomal linkage. Widow's peak is due to the autosomal linkage. The genes which are responsible for the development of the widow's peak the gene which is present on the autosome, because of which widow's peak is developed. Then what is widow's peak? V-shaped hairlines. Developed. V-shaped hairlines on the forehead developed. V-shaped hairlines developed on the forehead. V-shaped hairlines. Such type of hairlines may develop on the head region, and a V-shaped hairline may develop the shape V-shaped hairlines. May observe in this region V-shaped hairlines. This is the widow's peak. Widow's peak is the hairlines, V-shaped hairlines on the forehead is observed, known as widow's peak. This is the widow's peak. Widow's peak. And this character, widow's peak, is the character developed due to the presence of dominant character. This is the dominant character. Dominant character. Developed in both male and female individual. It is developed due to the presence of gene on the autosome. So it shows autosomal linkage. Autosomal linkage. Widow's peak is the dominant character developed by presence of gene capital W in the homozygous condition. Capital W genotype may develop the widow's peak genotype. Capital W dominant allele, dominant factor, or in the heterozygous condition, one dominant and another recessive may also develop the widow's peak. Homozygous and heterozygous. कपाळावरती जेव्हा व्ही आकाराचे केसाची अरेंजमेंट जेव्हा झालेली असते तेव्हा त्याला विडोज पीक असा शब्द वापरला गेलेला आहे. मराठीमध्ये याच्याबद्दल कुठलाही शब्द नाही आहे. काही लोकांच्या कपाळापासून केसांची डेव्हलपमेंट होते आणि एक असा पिक असतो. पिक म्हणजे पॉइंट डेव्हलप झालेला आहे. या ठिकाणी बघा इथे एक पॉइंट डेव्हलप झालेला आहे. सच टाइप ऑफ पॉइंट इज नोन एज पिक and it is commonly known as widow's peak. This word is used in the Latin language. And in some of the person or some of the individual, such type of hairlines may not be developed. Such type of hairlines may not be developed. Hairlines may not be developed. Such type of arrangement of the hairs or development of the hairs commonly in the straight line development of the hairs. Such type of straight line development of hairs. And this type of straight line development of the hairs does not shows widow's peak. It does not shows widow's peak. Straight line arrangement of the hairs on the head region and widow's peak may not be developed. This is developed due to the recessive trait present in the individual. Recessive trait present in the individual. Here widow's peak may not observed. And such type of hairline developed in the individual is due to the presence of homozygous condition or recessive gene without widow's peak. Both genes are in the homozygous condition. Homozygous condition. Widow's peak is developed due to the homozygous condition. Without widow's peak is developed due to the homozygous condition. And widow's peak developed due in the presence of dominant allele, dominant actor, capital W in the homozygous condition or in the heterozygous condition. Such type of hairlines observed on the forehead of some person. काही लोकांच्या कपाळावरती असा व्ही आकाराची केसाची अरेंजमेंट असते. And such type of character is equally developed in the male and female individual. समान प्रमाणात पुरुषामध्ये आणि स्त्रियांमध्ये हे कॅरेक्टर दिसायला लागतात. आणि हे कॅरेक्टर कशामुळे दिसायला लागतात? या जीनमुळे. जे जीन हे ऑटोसोम वरती असतात. ऑटोसोम वरती असणाऱ्या जीनमुळे हे कॅरेक्टर निर्माण झालेलं आहे. विडोज पीक. सच टाइप ऑफ कॅरेक्टर इज शोविंग ऑटोसोमल लिंकेज. विडोज पीक. आता या ठिकाणी क्रॉस करून जर बघितलं आपण, when widows pick male individual, so female individual, suppose this is the female and this one is the male. When crossing is performed in the F1 generation, if this is the homozygous, and this one is the homozygous recessive allele. Straight line without widow's peak. This is the without widow's peak. It means straight line of hairs developed on the head region. If such type of crossing perform, what will happen? Gamete, only one type of gamete will be produced by, and after fertilization, what will happen? The individual in the F1 generation may shows heterozygous condition. Hybrid individual with widow's peak. With widow's peak. On selfing, what will happen? On selfing in the F2 generation, the ratio becomes 3:1. Such type of development occur in the male individual and in the female individual. On selfing, what will happen? Here, if heterozygous condition, widow's peak possessing male individual crossed with widow's peak possessing female individual. Suppose this is the female individual. Straight line without widow's peak. Straight hairline. straight hairline. Straight hairline. What will happen here? Two types of gametes may produce. One gamete with a capital W and another gamete with small w. And after fertilization, homozygous widow's peak. Widow's peak. Then heterozygous widow's peak. Heterozygous widow's peak. Heterozygous widow's peak. And homozygous individual with recessive allele without widow's peak. म्हणजे याच्यावरती विडोज पीक नाहीये. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी हे अशा प्रकारचे विडोज पीक कॅरेक्टर दाखवणारे इंडिव्हिज्युअल आहेत. हे आहेत विडोज पीक. म्हणजे हेटेरोझायगस कंडिशन मध्ये किंवा होमोझायगस कंडिशन मध्ये हे विडोज पीक दाखवले जातात. म्हणजेच हे विडोज पीक काय आहे? डॉमिनंट कॅरेक्टर आहे. आणि या कॅरेक्टरचा अभ्यास या अभ्यासक्रमामध्ये दिलेला आहे. थँक यू.